Why do you bring your client to court every day, will you say? Why do you bring them to court? They are suffering, you said. Why do you tell them to come?
Last occasion, I could not get the information. Therefore, I think.
Telephonic information is not possible?
Yes, my lord. They are in.
Why do you bring them to court? They are suffering.
Yes.
They are aged persons.
That's good.
And you ask them to come to court?
Today I asked you, but
why?
On the last occasion, they voluntarily come to court.
You should have told them not to come to court, because this is not their place to come.
My lord,
They have engaged a learned advocate, and the advocate will carry on the matter. If any information is required, you can always collect information.
I have told, but they are.
Do you understand the hassle and the trouble these senior people has to take to come to court?
Than me. they want to go to back to their house, my lord. Kindly come to the order dated 16th of January, my lord. Pass by your lordship. Para number 11.
No, do not go back to whatever is there. What was the query on the last occasion as to whether there is any separate room where your son can stay?
This is the self-acquired property, my lord.
There is?
The property is a self-acquired
Please
property.
do not repeat your submissions.
My lord,
the court is aware.
my lord. I have told.
Query is whether there is a specific separate place for your son to stay.
No, I have.
Why do you want to take information in front of the court?
Only 2 rooms are there, my lord.
Where?
At the Raiganj, my lord.
At the?
Raiganj property, my lord.
At the top floor?
This is only ground floor property, my lord.
Only single storied property?
Yes, my lord. 2 rooms is there and one is for the worship place.
All right.
There is nothing else.
There is nothing else.
One is the garage, which is in occupation of the respondent number 6, and one additional room.
There are 5 rooms. There is a
And the most
separate
important
kitchen
thing, my
space,
lord, that
drawing space, toilet. All right.
Please wait. Yes.
I have talked to them, my lord.
Yes.
They are not willing in any way manner to reside with the respondent number 6, my lord, because of the immense cruelty and the torture inflicted by the respondent number 6 upon the petitioner, my lord. That has been the submission before the division bench, my lord. A division bench also affirmed the my lord's order. That's the property.
It is a single storage structure.
Yes.
The petitioners are not comfortable to stay with you. So you are to move out. How soon? How soon?
Not as on today, I have no means to accommodate myself unless and until.
Then look for some place where you can get accommodation gratuitously. There is no other option. The petitioners back to their place. They are senior citizens suffering from terminal diseases. Right? Nothing doing. Please move out. Otherwise, the court has to direct the police to throw you out, which will not be very good, considering the fact that your client is a member of the profession. Right? So please move out. You are not even providing maintenance to your parents.
No, not
because
I have no means.
They have not.
You do not have means. So the petitioner may intend to let out the property for earning something to take care of their medical needs.
My lord, grateful.
So please, how soon?
Yes, my lord, if your lordship so pleases, I'll do. But my lord, kindly consider at one point of time.
No consideration.
But let me finish first, my lord.
I have heard your submission. Do not repeat. The court doesn't have so much of time.
This court has passed the direction on in January month of January, my lord. Now we are in the month of June, my lord.
The petitioners are personally present in court, though there was no such direction for their personal appearance. Stop. It can be seen that the petitioners are fairly senior citizens and are not of a good health. Stop. The petitioners have disclosed that they are not comfortable and do not feel safe to stay in the same premises with the daughter-in-law, and the son, private respondents করে দিন, private respondents. Stop paragraph. In the property in question is a self-acquired one. Stop. The petitioners require finance for their medical treatment. Stop. The petitioners are not being taken care by their son, and no amount of maintenance is being paid to them. Stop paragraph. Under such circumstances, the court is of the opinion that the private respondents ought to vacate the property so that the petitioners can enjoy the same peacefully and safely, free from the fear of their lives at the hands of the private respondents. Stop. The private respondents are directed to move out of the property by 30th of July 2025. Stop. The matter is directed to be listed once again on 31st of July 2025. In the meantime, the officer in charge of the jurisdictional police station shall ensure that there is no breach of peace or tranquility at the locale, and the life and property of the petitioners are not threatened at the hands, threatened and infringed in the hands of the private respondents.
Kindly allow me some more time, my lord.
Prime respondent be directed to hand over the keys of the property, my lord.
No more time can be given because enough time has been given to you for quite some time. Acha. On vacating the property, the keys shall be handed over to the officer in charge of the jurisdictional police station, and it will be open for the petitioners to collect the same from the police station. On being police station stop, the police shall intimate the petitioners no, it is police station. Yes.
I'm good.
Number 12. 12, I'm appearing for the bank, Lordship.
My lord, in